Hi guys, welcome to my channel Curlykinkydee. I'm also known as Donna. Today is a review day. So today I am reviewing the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. That is what it looks like. Yeah, excited to use this. It says sea kelp, argan oil, shea butter, and that is what the consistency look like. It is pretty thick, as you can see. Yeah, like I'd say like really thick. As you can see, it's not even, you know, kind of really moving or anything. Okay, so let me just read to you guys what it says on the tab. It says our intensive treatment mask deeply moisturizes and repairs dry, damaged or overprocessed hair. This is perfect for transitioning chemically treated hair to natural, section clean, wet hair. Apply generously. Use a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly from root to ends, and then it says leave in for 5 minutes. Ingredients I will put down in the description box. You just got your normal aqua, glycerine, shea butter, but the rest of the stuff I'll just, you know, these words can be so complicated, so hard to pronounce, and hey, sometimes our pronunciations is not all the same. So let me begin. I'm finding the slip kind of good, considering I just done a co-wash, and obviously I haven't really detangled my hair other than when I obviously put the olive oil in and overnight it. But yeah, this is going on really good.
Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside. but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again. Sunlight that always stays in and by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. Living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Where everybody knows your name, everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Separate again.
Right, so guys, I am done. I am going to be sitting under the steamer for 45 minutes and then I'll come back to you guys with my final thoughts on the Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner. So guys, I'm back. This is it after me sitting under the steamer for exactly about 50 minutes and yeah. Just want to show you guys. My hair is feeling really moisturized. I love it for that moisturization factor that I can feel. It feels really, really moisturized. Let me show you guys how much I use first of all. So I hope you guys can see this, but yep, this is what I use. So I would say I can still get about 1.5 up to maybe 2 uses out of this. You can just smell the argan oil and stuff. So I love it because if I even just rub my hands together after touching, I can feel the moisture. As you can see, it is kind of seeped into my hair. Obviously my hair's eaten up all the nutritions, all the things that it needed to, so it's not sitting on top of my hair. But for me, what I found a bit, I say difficult was actually the slip. It wasn't a great slip. I've had deep conditioners that had brilliant slip, and I always say the two things I always look for in a deep conditioner is the moisturizing factor and the slip factor. The slip didn't really make it for me. My hair at the bottom is kind of more looser. It's a looser texture, so it will, you know, go through all right. It's when I come to my more coarser textures of hair, which is more on top, I find it extremely difficult. And because my hair is extremely dry, and I've got thick hair, it takes a lot for me to deep condition, because I like doing my finger detangling. I take my time in doing it. But when the slip is not giving, I find that it puts me a bit off, because obviously if you've got deep conditioners where the slip is great, the moisturizing factor is great, then, you know, you'll obviously go for it. So guys, it's not something I will completely say I won't buy again. I mean, I'll use it. It's there now. Whether I will go back to the shop in the future to go and buy it, I don't know. The moisture, like I say, is pretty good, but the slip, I did find it in the end a bit too much. So for now, I would say try it, guys. It is really, I'm talking about moisturization, brilliant. Obviously, if you've got maybe, you know, thinner type 4 hair, and that is not as, you know, sometimes like as coarse as my texture, then go for it, try it. And I'd also say for those who are transitioning, try it, guys. Definitely give it a try. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. I'm not sure what my next review will be, but yeah, I have to go through my deep conditioners and then see what I'm going to be reviewing next in line. So guys, I want you to check out this video of mine, my best deep conditioners for summer 2021. So guys, I want to say goodbye, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.